24-piece set. Set includes 4-cup square, 4-cup round, 1-cup round, and 2-cup rectangle glass containers with plastic snap lock lids. These are the perfect containers for meal prepping or storing leftovers. High quality, made from high-quality glass and durable BPA-free plastic, these containers are an indispensable addition to your storage and organizing needs. The containers and lids stack to save space, so you can put them away neatly until needed. Non-toxic lids. These Snapware containers feature airtight, leak-proof lids with 4 locking tabs that are BPA-free. They're also top-rack dishwasher, freezer and microwave safe. Save food for tomorrow or warm today's lunch with less worries. Limited warranty. This item has limited warranty. Made in USA. Snapware, trusted brand in locking/latching lids. Snapware organizes clutter with creativity and no effort. Organization doesn't need to be dull. Add a splash of color with Snapware and have fun. The Snapware Total Solution Glass Food Storage Set combines 4 latch plastic lids with oven-safe glass containers for storing and organizing food and other items in your home. Snaplock lids have a silicone seal for secure, airtight and leak-proof seal that keeps food fresher longer. Easy open, close tabs ensure a secure and lasting closure you can see. Long-lasting glass containers are dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer safe. Lids are BPA-free and top rack, dishwasher safe. Container is also great for storing and carrying other household items like tools, toys and other small items. Space-saving, nestable design allows containers to stack easily for storage. Lids fit both glass and plastic Snapware containers for convenience. Set includes 2 each of 4-cup square and 4-cup round, with 4 each of 1-cup round, and 2-cup rectangle with snap lock plastic lids. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product and great customer service. This is our second set of Snapware. Our first set is at least 5 years old now, and still works great. I have had a few lids in need of replacement recently, so they lasted a good 5 years, and just did an online chat with a customer service rep at Pyrex. They sent the lids no problem, verified sizes and address, they arrived in a week. I even asked for an extra square lid as the tabs on one were starting to loosen and I didn't want to have to request again later when the lid finally broke, and they had no problem with that. We bought the second set to replace a cheaper anchor hocking set we have where the lids keep breaking. You can buy replacement lids, and I figured since Snapware honors their product and replaces the lids for free even when it's been years and is related to use and not faults, that I would rather give my money to them. Haven't regretted that decision at all.